Here's how to permanently delete one or multiple YouTube videos on PC. Go to youtube.com and click your profile icon in the top right. Make sure the correct channel is selected. If not, click Switch Account and choose the right one. Select YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click Content on the left sidebar. You will see all your published videos listed. To delete a single video, hover over it and check the box on the left. To delete multiple videos, check the boxes on all videos you want to remove at once. With videos selected, click More Actions at the top of the list and select Delete Forever. A confirmation box will appear. Check I understand that deleting is permanent, then click Delete Forever. Before deleting, consider downloading your videos first. Go to the three dots next to any video and select Download to save a local copy. Deleted videos cannot be recovered under any circumstances, so this is worth doing for anything you might want in the future. Once deleted, the videos are immediately removed from your channel. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.